How to set nickname in Instagram chat. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Then you want to go ahead and tap on messages that is on the top right corner. You have to keep in mind that you cannot change nickname of particular person or any account, but you can only change nickname of any group. To set the nickname in Instagram chat, what you want to do is open the group and tap on the group's name. And then here you can see change name and photos. Tap on it and tap on change group name. As you do that, you will be able to change the name of the group. You can put the name as you want. And then after you're done, you want to tap on done, that is on the top right corner of the pop-up. As you can see here, the nickname of the group has been set. And how you can set nickname in Instagram chat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.